Jeez. So there we go. That was the second contact I've made using the 6-foot high real world shit hits the fan end-fed half wave. That was contact number 2. And it was only with Quebec, Canada. Just a skip over the pond, right? On the other side of Lake Huron, somewhere over there. My logger shows that he's only 571 miles away. But I'm looking for real world contacts, and I'm not necessarily looking to talk to New Zealand here. Boy, this camera's twisted, man. I'm twisted. I want to see who I can work. I don't care if the dude's in the next town over or the next state over or the next country. I want to see who I can work with this wire, man. That's what I want to do. And that's why I established contact. You like how I slide my my printed circuit board holding device tripod around? That's why I wanted to establish contact at something that I felt is real world, which was 10 watts. We established contact. We exchanged information. It wasn't a signal report high and by contact. It wasn't a rag chew, but we could have exchanged any information we needed using 10 watts. And out of graciousness, I cranked the power up. And honestly, I was hoping to get a comment like, dang, dude, you smoked my S meter. Can you smoke that S meter? Jesus. Anyway, so what I'm going to do here is I'll do a little more RBN testing on 20 meters, but I want to make some more contacts using 10 watts, maybe 5, whatever, 5 or 10 watts. I want to make some contacts, some phone contacts using 100 watts PEP. I'm not even going to bother with low power. Well, I might. I shouldn't say that. I want to see what this wire will do, man. At low power and full power, you know. Just because shit hits the fan doesn't mean you got to use 5 or 10 watts, for God's sake. You need to crank your power up to make a contact. You're going to do so. Seems to me. Anyway, so there's where we stand on the 6-foot high end-fed half wave 40 meter real world shit hits the fan antenna 73